G'day, welcome to 2024 and back to Project Distraction. This year I'm going to try and get into it, and the first step was to make a space to actually work on the car. So this is how that went down. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. 2023 is nearly over, and finally got my mojo back. If you can't be finished, be awesome.
Nails, a hammer, not too large, but large enough to handle easily. Something a little under 3 pounds is ideal. A sheet of glass is also needed, but not until later. Finally, the most important thing, a good strong bench to work on. A good strong bench to work on. And now we are ready to begin. First, the frame. Lay out the sides of the hut on the ground in a square. Next, nail the planks of timber across them. This can be done quite quickly.
Bit of a score from a hoarder's house. Got some framing and some sheeting and some C-section as well as some battens. So let's see if we can put that to use.
Having made the sides, we begin to assemble the shed, using the hammer to check that it is secure. And now it's time for the window, unless, of course, we decide to fix the door first. The window is usually fitted first, but on the other hand, the door is easier. It's really a matter for you to decide for yourself.
It's very hot, very humid, and got a drink.
Let's say we fit the door first. Good quality hinges should be selected and screwed firmly into place along one edge. The left-hand edge is preferable. Now we move on to the roof, which should be felt all over. And angled sharply to discourage birds from settling on it. And finally, all we need is a window. Your shed is now complete and if properly looked after should give sturdy service for many years to come.
P.S. It's really hot in Darwin. Sweaty. "30 minutes on, at least 10 minutes off." I'm dying, man. I'm dying. So what these are is that's where it actually split through. So I put a bit of silicone on there and then put electrical tape on top so that I can work with it and not get silicone on myself, and then peel the tape off after. It also keeps it nice and flush and stops the sheets from sticking together. Gives it time to dry without it stuffing around. But you can see that, look, the dents aren't completely gone. You know, it's certainly no metal finish job, but by giving it a bit of a workout, you can make it flatter and flat enough to do what I've got to do. It is second-hand after all. Right, roof screwed off.